Hello my friends, welcome to the channel. This time I'd like to talk about some useful tools from Harbor Freight under 20 bucks. So yeah, we're gonna just a kind of quick review, and most of the, actually all of the items are still being sold, even though like I've had mine for years and years and they still work great and they're just awesome. We're just gonna do a quick review, just three different items, so you guys can kind of see like what's good, inexpensive, how much it usually goes for, and why it's good. So we'll start from my absolutely favorite tool from Harbor Freight. So this is gonna be Harbor Freight's quarter drive ratchet over here with a flex head. So I absolutely love this thing. If you notice in lots of my videos, you actually will see this tool being used. I've used it so much that you could barely tell that it says Pittsburgh in there. But as far as this ratchet is great, it's still the head is still holding pretty good. You can adjust it over here with an Allen if you need to, but it works good. It's very fine tooth. I believe they're 92 tooth. And I've never had any issues, it never broken it, and I mean I've put some torque on it. I've used adapters from quarter drive to 3/8 drive with it, and it works just fine. So as far as the part number for this guy at Harbor Freight, it's 62331, and they're currently going for 19 bucks right now, but you can always use that 20% off coupon that you can get in pretty much any car magazine and pretty much almost anywhere. Here's what 20% coupon, usually like I said it's in magazine, and you can get usually some free stuff like some flashlights. I actually have them all over the place over here. You can always score some free flashlights, and again they really come in pretty much any car related magazine. There's gonna be a Harbor Freight ad, or online, or if you register you will get emails. But what I noticed when Harbor Freight does send you email, it's usually like 2 or 3 day expiration date. On this guy over here, if you look at it, the expiration is, I don't know if you can see it, 1/22, and this guy, the magazine I got was a month ago, so it's over a month usually in the magazines. I'm pretty sure if you sign up for the email, they'll email you the 20% off coupon too, so that will drop it down even lower than 19 bucks. Alright, number 2. That's right, set of flare nut wrenches. And some people are like, oh well, you don't want to use Harbor Freight flare nut wrenches. Why not? It's a flare nut wrench. I mean, it's kind of designed to not to spread. I mean, that's why they're tapered over here. So I've used the crap out of them. They work just fine. And flare nut wrenches, you only use them usually on lines, like as far as like, you know, like cooler lines, fuel lines, things like that, like whatever you don't want to round out to nut. So it's not something that you use every day, day to day. I mean, this is literally just something that you use once in a while, and I mean, I've been using and abusing them for years, and I have yet to strip a bolt with it, and yet to break one. I mean, you could tell that there's quite a bit of using them, but they do work great, and they do have lifetime warranty. I don't see why not, and compared to anybody else, this is bargain, because for this set over here in metric, part number 68866, it's 14 bucks. 14 bucks, and that's without any coupon or anything like that. I mean, that's giving it away. Cool. And for number 3, it's kind of a twofer. And by twofer, I mean it's quarter drive socket set. So you have your quarter drive deeps, and then you have your quarter drive shallow set. So the reason why I'm saying like this is an amazing deal, so first of all, it's quarter drive socket set, so you're not gonna put tons of torque on them anyway, usually you're not gonna break them. I mean, I've had this for years, like probably five years or so. They're still fine, they're not spreading, they're not cracking, they're not separating. I mean, they work like a socket should. Yeah, the crappy part about it, you're gonna be missing some sizes, so you might have to go and buy a couple sizes. But the cool thing, you can buy both the deep and the shallows under 20 bucks. So for the deeps, the part number is 61345, it's 10 bucks, and for the shallows, it's 61338, which is $8. So it puts you at $18. Again, that's without any coupons or anything like that. And I mean, later on, if you need some special size that's missing, you can always do what I did. Go to Home Depot and buy a couple Huskies. Like this one was missing, the set's missing a 12 mil, which is, here's a Husky 12 millimeter. And usually cheap sets like that don't come with a 14 millimeter. Again, Husky 14 millimeter. And there was a couple sizes over here that was missing, but yeah, that's a really good set. It will get you started. It's durable. I would say it's as good as Craftsman or anything else quality wise. Yeah, I mean, I would say like if you're looking at like a half drive impact sockets or something like that, yeah, of course there are better options out there. Are they gonna be same price as Harbor Freight? No, I don't think so. I mean, Harbor Freight is just good bang for the buck. But yeah, here are the three pretty much best bargains in my opinion, without even using any coupons or anything like that at Harbor Freight currently. So everything under, each one is under $20. They work really well. Alright, set this thing back down. Back up, I mean. Back up, sorry. Alright, cool. Well, hopefully you guys liked this review. If you have any question, shoot me a message, leave a comment. Hopefully you liked the video. If you did, hit thumbs up. If you didn't like the video, unfortunately hit thumbs down. Crap happens. Please subscribe to the channel. I am trying to come up with more videos lately, so hopefully I'll be posting at least a video a week, and in the perfect world I'll try to get more than one per week, because I really like making videos and it's kind of fun, and I'm getting tons of feedback from you guys that some of the videos are very useful, especially some of DIY video, and people thanking me and asking me to make more videos. So I'm gonna try to make more videos and hopefully I can grow a channel a little bit. Alright guys, as always, have a good day and take care.